A rainy day and my practice. Hello everyone. Today I would like to talk about my rainy day. When I woke up in this morning, I saw a dark cloud in the sky. It started rain early in the morning. I could not go outside. Instead of wasting my time, I stayed at home and I practiced my English listening. I practiced my English speaking. Then I practiced my shadowing about 20 minutes. Then I recorded a video, edited it, and uploaded it to YouTube. I corrected my mistakes and tried to improve myself. Even if I cannot go to work, still I improve my learning speaking. Rainy day is not a bad day. It's a great opportunity to improve ourselves. I believe that every day is a new opportunity. I try to improve myself step by step better than yesterday. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.